Welcome, here I've got VERNEE Mix 2 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the end to Pro. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start. As you can see, we have 3 sliders. Let's go from the first one. Here we can manage the temperature of our picture, so we can adjust the white balance. Now we are on the tungsten light. Here we have the daylight also, then white fluorescent light and the cloudy light, so it depends from the light we have in the area where we take a picture. And we have no problem to go back to the auto settings. We have to just slide it to the beginning of the slider, and now we are again on auto white balance. The next one slider here allows us to control the ISO, so we can manage the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100, and by going to the right we can make it more sensitive to 1 in 6000, so I think this is enough spectrum to this camera. And of course, to go back to the auto settings we have to just simply slide on the beginning of the slider. And the last one slider here allows us to control the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right we can make our photo more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. This is how it works. And at the center we have the 0 parameter, so we have the auto settings. And this is how to use all of that. Now let me slide this settings to take a picture, so let me stay on this slide, for example. ISO maybe here and a little bit darker. To see my photo, let's move to the left to this button. So here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.